Good morning everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to be installing this vinyl plank flooring. It's a new product. I like it. It's very easy to install. Anyone can do it. As you can see, the back side has a rubber base to it. The front side has a nice wood grain texture. They're approximately 4 feet long. This style is approximately 8.5 inches wide. Okay, it's quite thick. It can be placed on wood floors, it can be placed on concrete. It's very forgiving and it doesn't make any noise. A couple things about this. Doesn't have very much square footage in the box. If you look at the cover down in here, you'll see that this box covers about 20.2 square feet per box. So basically measure out your room, get your square footage, buy a little extra, you're going to have some waste, and go from there. It comes in multiple colors, styles. Okay, over here, I've already prepped the floor, vacuumed it, make sure there wasn't anything left on it. Also, I've measured the room because I want to get my distances. I don't want to end up on one side of the room with having to cut a small sliver of this material to go up against the wall, so I prefer to cut my first piece to even it out and put a larger strip against the wall. In this particular case, there isn't any of that, so it should be quite quick to put down. If you look at the back of the box, it shows you here simple tools that you'll need. Very simple. Straight edge, preferably a square. Razor knife, tape measure. I've got my little rubber mallet here. Again, that I bought from the Dollar Tree for $1. I knew this would come in handy. Yeah, that's basically it. Some people like to use a block of wood or something if they get into a position where they have to tap the piece in, because it is a locking type flooring. If you look here on the edges, you can see the locking areas of the floor where it butts together. So let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, I've already got my first run placed against the wall. Now what I want to do is I want to stagger these joints. I don't want all the joints to line up in a straight line. I want to go back the other way and stagger these joints, okay? I started from that end. I've got a joint right here. I'm going to take this longer piece. Okay, I'm going to put it in. Snap it on. Right where I want it. Take my rubber mallet. Give it a little tap. Make sure all snapped in properly here. Another piece. Now if you look, the snap-in edge that sits on top is on this side. You've got a snap on this side that goes underneath the corner there. So let me get up under there. Get it in the snapping area here. Tap it into the groove. Okay, now we'll take our tape measure. We're going to measure what we've got here, approximately 32.5 inches. I'll go on the wall. Put this on its material side, making sure I have it lined up properly, the outer edge here. Go ahead and mark that. 32.5. and score this material a couple of times with a nice sharp blade. Okay. Now I've got the material scored here. Basically all I need to do now is snip it off. That area. Got the rubber backer. And you have a piece of floor ready to install. Bring it on over. Set it where I want it. Snap it in. Beautiful. Looks good. Rubber mallet. That's about it. Another on the floor. It's very quick. It's very easy. Anyone can do this. I should have this floor done in no time at all. This is laying out very nicely. And I'll show you the end results. Thank you for watching. Okay, so as you can see, I've been working on this for about an hour and a half. And I've got probably 2/3 of the room done. Fairly easy to say that. Let me give you a close-up. How this has gone down. You don't see any cracks in the joints. The joints are all tight. It came together quite nicely actually. You can see how I've staggered all my little butt joints there. And again, probably another hour and a half because I have this closet to tackle here. It's going to make a lot of cuts. And I've also got this threshold. Yeah, this is going to go right there at the door. It matches the floor quite nicely, as you can see. Okay, so we get finished. Good morning, everybody. Just here to let you know the floor has been completed. As you can see, in through the closet, I got the doors up. Put my base mold in, sealed it properly. We have a brand new room, ready to inhabit. So let's break it down to some crazy music. Thanks everybody. Subscribe and like. Have a great day.